So we got us here a high speed chase. Let's see how this one goes. It say Chrysler 300 SRT8 leads Georgia State Patrol on wild high speed chase. Just my audio. I don't know. I don't hear nothing. Probably because it ain't nothing. Oh, he was doing donuts. Motherfucker was doing donuts. Oh wow. Police pulled right up on your dumb ass. They should have hit him. Should have just knocked his ass right off the road.
42-1080, southbound on Jonesboro. Paul Frank Henry 3677, PFH 3677. Behind him, I'll call him for you. Got yellow racing stripes, black car, yellow racing stripes.
Yeah, that bitch black with yellow stripes. You can't miss that motherfucker. He talking about it's black with yellow racing stripes. Why was you doing donuts in the middle of the damn intersection, man? Goofy ass dude.
Stop traffic over across Harbor Road. Traffic. He's wrong side of the road.
Keep pushing that bitch though. He ain't got nowhere to go.
Right here,
Goofy ass dude. Man, he gotta get on the highway or something. He can't just try to run and think he's just gonna get away. GSP got down there the same motor. Man, he's stopping at lights and shit. GSP finna wrap up.
Right on Cleveland, right on Cleveland.
Yeah, he ain't gonna lose him on these type streets.
Brakes on this outside, so be careful. What's down on Cleveland? What's down on Cleveland?
And he ain't even driving crazy. You gotta bounce at that shoulder. On the other side, it's too late now. Yeah, he ain't getting away. This nigga's not getting away.
Calm down. So what's down on Cleveland? You come up on Brownsville here in a second.
Motherfucker bouncing. The cop is dead ass right behind him. I'm surprised he ain't hit that motherfucker.
42's almost going in. Come on side. Still it now. Watch oncoming traffic. Watch my brakes. Clear. All the way down.
Someone watch my brakes.
Drop the Macon Street. Nearby Macon Street.
Yeah, he might as well pull over and hop out so he don't fuck his car up. It's all traffic. Cops done bucked at you. Well, they got shit blocked off. Yeah, pull over, bro. Pull over. Save your car, man. They go pitch your shit. Oh my God, where does he go? Oh man, see, he done hit the curb. Bruh. And look, the cop's still right behind him. You did all that, the cop's still right behind you.
One tire down, one tire down.
Yeah, I know he one tire down. Let me go back, man. The way he hit this curb, bro. Motherfucker, I hit a pothole and my shit go flat. Look at the way he hit this curb. Nigga jumped the curb. Yeah, he missing the tire. he out of there. Front tire out of there.
One tire down, one tire down. Up and under 85, northbound on Metropolitan.
Bro, pull over, bro. To save your car. Look.
Westbound on Perkinson Road.
Bro, you missing the worst tire too. A front tire, you can't steer it.
Crossing Quaker.
Two flat tires. Yeah.
2 flat tires.
Clear crossing Quaker Street on Metro for Ferguson.
He just got that second one when he smacked that curb. When he slid and hit that curb. Dude just said dumbass. Listen. Bruh, cop said dumbass. Bro, just pull over, bro. Save your car.
Oh, get on the highway, bitch. I dare you. Oh, you don't fuck
Hey.
Oh, get on the highway, bitch. I dare you. Oh, you don't.
The cop said, hey, get on the highway, bitch. I dare you. Hold on. Quit playing. Hey, look at him. Get on the highway.
Oh, get on the highway, bitch. I dare you. Oh, you done fucked up.
He said, you done fucked up now. He finna pin his ass. He go straight. That nigga said, bitch, get on the highway. Bro, chill out. But they do this shit for fun. He just lost a tire. He riding rim. Yeah, bro, just pull over.
We're on 166.
He finna pit him. You should have pulled over to save your car, bro. You finna fuck that mug up. He got a Hellcat badge on that bitch? Hold on. Let him get the pit right. Nigga, you got no tires.
Setting up again. We'll cross under Pryor Road. He's gonna try to pin him again.
Finna pit his ass. Baka. Yeah. Should have saved your car, bro. Look at the car in the top corner. The car slid into the damn truck, bro. What the fuck? They finna pull his ass out and take a shit on his ass. He tried to run. Hold on, he hit the guardrail. That nigga hit the guardrail and booked. Hold on, man. Alright, he out of there on foot, but where the fuck you gonna go, nigga? Then Johnny Dickhead chasing him. Yeah, you ain't going nowhere. Oh. But this dude is hilarious.
This is why I stopped shopping on Amazon, and you should too. Don't spend another dime on Amazon until you watch this first.
Watch this. I can show you how to get the sweetest deals online when you shop from major retailers like Amazon and Target.
He lost
you
the
can drop
tire.
prices automatically.
Because he hit that curve, man. He dumb. Audio muted for YouTube compliance, so that means he must be talking shit or some shit. Oh, hey, you motherfucking, get your ass down. Or shoot you in your fucking face. We're gonna fast forward past all that, though. Damn right, they got him. They got his ass ever since they seen him doing a damn donut. The driver of the vehicle was also caught after a foot pursuit. Oh, that was the passenger? Oh, you shouldn't even ran. Passenger, you supposed to say, shit, I was just in the motherfucker. I was just in the car. Ain't got shit to do with it. His ass trying to book. His ass is going down either way, though. Okay.
Yes.
Damn, hold on. What happened to my damn sound? Pause this stream right quick. rolling.
Huh? Yeah, only two.
Only two of them in the car. Look at the car.
Atlanta, we're 1095 times 2. Go ahead and send me a 1051.
Look at that car.
Atlanta, we're 1095 times 2. Go ahead and send me a 1051.
Damn car.
Atlanta,
Wrap the car up.
Atlanta, we're 1095 times 2. Go ahead and send me a 1051. Got one knot right here, but you ain't bleeding, alright?
So you got a little knot right here, but you ain't bleeding, alright?
No, he's not. Don't worry. Not here, man.
Clear 482. Yep.
Should have pulled that motherfucker over, man. Shit wasn't even working.
How do you double up there?
Fuck the whole car. Motherfucker, we probably would have just told you and shit. Cause your dumb ass wanna do donuts in the intersection.
Okay, what's your location? It's not clear. It was 330 Hilltop. I don't know.
Moral of the story. Moral of the story. Don't do donuts in the intersection if you don't got that wheel. That boy lost his car over that shit.